Today I'll be talking about the Invent King Innovation DL Advanced Digital Wire and Valve Locating System. The DL makes it easy to track and locate buried wires and cables and to identify broken wires. Today, in this video, we'll be going over when and how to use the product. To start tracing using the DL, disconnect either the common ground wire from the controller or the wire from the target zone, and connect the test leads to the transmitter, and then you'll connect the red test lead to whatever wire you have selected. Next, you're going to take the ground stake and insert that into the earth. If you already have existing knowledge of the system, it's helpful to place the ground stake perpendicular to and a few feet away from the wire path. Then you're going to take the black test lead and connect that to the ground stake. Once you have everything set up, you're going to want to turn on the transmitter and select direct clip-on mode. Adjust the power output until OK is displayed. Then you'll either select Lo-Fi or Hi-Fi. Lo-Fi is typically used for deeper log traces, and Hi-Fi is used for shallow or short traces. Next, you're going to take the receiver and turn it on, set it to clip-on mode and trace the wire. As the operator, you may choose between peak and null mode on the receiver. When in null mode, audio tones over the top of the buried wire will be silent, and tones to either side will increase in intensity. In peak mode, the opposite will happen. Audio tones will become louder over the top of the buried wire, and decrease in intensity as you move the wand away from the wire. Next, use the tones consistent with your selected audible indicator to locate the buried wire. Adjust sensitivity as needed, and continue to follow on the wire path, marking if desired, and listening for the change in audio tones.